In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete conversations in Google Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Google Gemini is an engaging platform for communication, but sometimes we have conversations that we'd rather not keep around. Whether it's clutter, privacy, or simply removing chats that no longer serve a purpose, deleting conversations can clear up your digital space. To start off, you'll want to go to either the Gemini website or the app. It's a straightforward process. Just open up your browser or your favorite app on your mobile device for Google Gemini and log in to your account. If you haven't already, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your conversations. Look through this list for the specific conversation you want to delete. It helps if you know the participants or the general topic of the chat to find it easily. This step can save you some time and make the whole process smoother. Now that you've located the conversation you want to get rid of, click on it to open it up. This should display all the messages exchanged in that discussion, providing the context you might need before deciding to delete it. Take a moment to review. Sometimes we change our minds about deleting things, so it's good to double-check your choice. Next, take a look at the top left corner of the screen, where you should see 3 little dots or a cog icon. This is your options menu. Click on those 3 dots, and you'll find a variety of options presented to you. Don't worry, it won't be overwhelming. It's just a few choices related to the conversation at hand. Among those options, you should see the one labeled Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete. This action will initiate the process of removing the conversation. Now, Google Gemini values your confirmation, so before any permanent action is taken, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you really want to delete this conversation. This is a good safety measure to prevent uninstallable accidents. After the prompt appears, read the message carefully. It's important to understand that once you confirm, the conversation will be permanently deleted from your chat history, and you won't be able to retrieve it. If you're certain that this is what you want to do, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a conversation in Google Gemini. This is a great way to manage your chat history and keep your conversations relevant and tidy. If you find yourself needing to delete multiple conversations, simply repeat these steps for each chat you want to remove. It's the same straightforward process every time, making it easy for you to get organized. Thank you for watching this video on how to delete conversations in Google Gemini. I hope you found this information helpful and that it aids you in managing your communication more effectively. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more like it, don't forget to like and subscribe for future tips and tricks. Happy chatting!